Having problems getting your business going in the right direction? Are you challenged in conveying your business effectively to your customers? Whether you are running a business from your home or in an office space where you have employees and clients in one location, or in different locations around the city or country, or if you have clients around the world, you need a virtual business solution that will help you communicate more effectively with your customers, clients, and employees. PKTalknet is that virtual phone solution, which will provide all your business needs. Some benefits include a dedicated local or toll-free number, branding your business with features allowing you to make a strong first impression. Never lose a new or existing business call again. PKTalknet offers a virtual phone system that travels with you, where your business will have custom recordings so your clients will get a professional service every time they contact your company. PKTalknet also offers unlimited extensions where you can route your customer calls to the necessary team members that can solve your customers' needs. For instance, press 1 for sales, or 2 for service, or 3 for customer support. This is again giving quality response to your new and existing customers around the globe. Other features include call forwarding, conference calling, call recording, and internet fax capabilities. And really, PKTalknet offers much, much more. To get started with your instant branding to elevate your business, click the link below. When you get to the PKTalknet page, click the Get Service button or the $5 button to try the service out. There's also an opportunity for you to be an affiliate of PKTalknet and earn extra income. Again, click the link below. Use PKTalknet to help your business reach and achieve the goals you have set in your dreams. Remember, the sky's the limit for your business. Click the link below.